Today, I'm going to teach you how to switch back to classic WooCommerce cart and checkout. If you've been using the newer block-based checkout and prefer the traditional layout, this tutorial will show you exactly how to revert to the classic version. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to wordpress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. This will bring you to your WordPress dashboard where you can access all your site's settings and customization options. Once you're logged in, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Appearance. This will expand a submenu with several options. From these options, select Editor. Clicking on Editor takes you to the WordPress page editor interface, which is where we'll make all the necessary changes to switch back to the classic checkout experience. Now you'll find yourself on the WooCommerce page editor screen. Direct your attention to the left navigation panel and click on Pages. This section displays all the pages on your site. Look through the list to find your checkout page, and when you spot it, click on Edit. This action will take you into the page editor screen where you can fully adjust and customize how your checkout page looks and functions. From here, the process becomes fairly straightforward. If you currently have an existing checkout page theme applied, you have the option to delete the entire page content. Doing this will revert everything back to a classic WooCommerce cart and checkout page automatically. However, if you want more control over the process, there's another approach you can take. Look toward the top left part of your screen and click on the plus icon. This is your Add Elements and Block menu. Once you click it, the menu will expand and show you all the different blocks and elements you can use to build your page. At the top of this menu, you'll see a search bar. Click into it and type Classic. This search will bring up both the classic cart and classic checkout options, making it easy to find exactly what you need. Once the classic checkout block appears in your search results, simply drag it onto your checkout page. When you do this, you'll be prompted with an option to transform this element into blocks. Go ahead and click on Transform into Blocks. This action converts the classic checkout into the proper format for your page, and just like that, you'll have a classic WooCommerce cart and checkout page added from your Elements menu. Now that everything is set up the way you want it, look to the top right part of your screen and click on Save. This ensures that all the changes you've made are retained and will be visible to your customers the next time they visit your checkout page. And there you have it. You've successfully switched back to the classic WooCommerce cart and checkout, giving your store that traditional layout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.